My name is Anmol Gupta and we would be solving question number 2 for maths NSEM examination. 2 for the NSEM is under what conditions on the constant ABKL is the ODE AX plus BY bracket KX plus LY dy by dx exact, and then we have to solve the ordinary differential equation. Sorry, we have to solve the exact ODE. Sorry, my fault. So let us start. So first of all, we need to understand that what is an exact a differential equation. What do you mean by exact? So let us consider a function u x comma y, and so for exactness you should be continuous. Well, that means that du should be del u by del x dot dx plus del u by del y dot dy. It should give a constant. Sorry, it should give a 0. So then only it will be continuous. So now let us assume that del u by del x equals to m and del u by del y equals to n. Now for the equation to be exact, it should satisfy the relation del m by del y equals to del n by del x. Thus, since m equals to del u by del x, then del m by del y would be del of del y into del u by del x, that is del square u del x del y. Similarly, del n by del x would equal to now if we consider the original given equation, which was ax plus by plus kx plus ly dy by dx equals to 0. Here we can see that m equals to ax plus by while n equals to kx plus ly. Now if we calculate the del m by del y, here it would be b and del n by del x would come out to be k. Thus, in order to be an exact equation, it should satisfy the condition del m by del y equals to del n by del x. Thus, they both should be equal. Thus, p should be equal to k. Right? Now, for the solution of the exact equation, solution for exact equation, so now for the solution of exact equation u, we would calculate it by integrating so here k is some random function of y. It should be noted that this k is different from what was given in the question. So now since m equals to ax plus by, on substituting it we will get ax plus by dx plus ky On integrating it, we would get ax square by 2 plus byx plus ky, right? Now for this, so also this should satisfy our condition del u by, sorry, not del u by del y equals to n. It should satisfy this equation where n equals to kx plus ly. Thus, on calculating del u by del y, it would come out to be, so this gets cancelled out, it would come out to be bx plus k, and since this should be equal to kx plus ly, so we get this relation. Now previously we had proved that b should be equal to k, so these both can be cancelled out. So we are, oh, I'm so sorry, I've calculated the del u by del y wrong. The correct del u by del y should be, so this gets cancelled out, here y would be differentiated, so bx plus here it would be del ky del y, and I forgot to put brackets here, it would be, so it is a function of k, so now upon differentiating it would be del k by del y. So since it should be equal to n, we would write it equals to kx plus ly, and also recalling the earlier which we had proved that b equals to k, we can cancel these both out, right? So what we are left with is del k by del y equals to ly. Now upon taking del y there and integrating it, we will get k equals to L square by 2 del k equals to ly del y, then integrating del k equals to ly del y, we get k equals to ly square by 2. Now upon putting this, so this is a function in y, now upon putting this value here, we will get the solution of u, which we had to find out the solution for exact equation. So we will get u equals to ax square by 2 plus byx plus ly square by 2. So I'll just recapitulate it from the starting ones. So we were given an equation and we had to find the conditions under which these constant were exact, and also then we had to solve the exact ordinary differential equation. Since we know that for an equation to be exact, it should be continuous and it should satisfy this condition and it should give us 0, and also it should satisfy this equation del m by del y equals to del n by del x, where m is del u by del x and n is del u by del y. So if then again going to our initial equation, we find that we substitute m for ax plus by and n for kx plus ly, and then on calculating del m by del y we find b, and for calculating del n by del x it is k. Since they both should be equal to satisfy the condition, thus b should be equal to k. So that was the condition for the constant, and now for the solution of exact equation we will calculate it by, so suppose the solution is u, so for finding the u we would calculate it by integral of m dx plus ky, where k is some random function of y. Since m equals to ax plus by, we will substitute the value of ax plus by, and then upon integrating it we get this function. which is ax square by 2 plus byx plus some function k in terms of y. Now since we know that del u by del y should give us n, thus upon calculating it we come to the equation del k by del y equals to ly, and then upon further integrating it we find the value of k, which is L square by 2, and then putting this value here in the equation we find the final answer.